How to change theme language in Shopify 2024, translate Shopify theme into a different language. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can change your Shopify theme language. So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead and log in with your Shopify account. So here, as you can clearly see, we have opened up the login portal. So I'm simply going to go ahead and go in with my account. Now, once I log in with my account and arrive on my dashboard, what's going to happen from there is we are simply going to go ahead to the Shopify App Store, okay? And on the Shopify App Store, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be downloading a certain app, okay? So I'm going to be taking you through the journey. You're going to come here on apps, and here it's going to say app and sales channel settings, or it's going to say all recommended apps. So you're going to click on this. You're going to go to Shopify App Store, as you can clearly state. So once you go over here, it's going to load things in and it's going to bring you here. So once you come here, you're going to basically come here and write translate. Okay, you're going to write that and it's going to give you different translate apps. So the best ones, in my opinion, are Transy and ET Translate. So Translate, ET Translate, in my opinion, are the best because they're AI translations and they're built for Shopify. So I would always go with Transy because it's AI language translate and it's built specifically for the Shopify functionalities. And you also get a free plan. And for the upper plans, you get a free 7-day trial. Okay. So that's why I find it pretty good. I find it pretty nice to use. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it. And once we get straight into it, here it's going to say install app. And that is exactly what we're going to do. So once you click on install app, it's going to load things in over here. And you're just going to wait for the app section to open up real quick. So here we come. Now it's going to say choose your plan. Okay. So I'm going to go with the free one and click on get started. So I'm going to keep the free plan. And once you go on the free plan, it's going to load things in where it's going to bring you to this section. Now, obviously, you're also going to want to make sure that your theme is already set it up. So here it's going to say go to app embeds, and you're going to make sure that Transy is on. So you're going to enable Transy switcher and click on save. So we're quickly going to go over there. And once we load things in, it brings us here to app embeds, Transy switcher on, and we're simply going to click on save. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on next. I have done this. So once you've done this, it's going to say verify currency format. So go to settings, scroll down to store currency, click on change formatting, and copy code and replace HTML with currency, HTML without currency. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to take these two copies or these two links or HTMLs. So I'm going to copy these in my clipboard. So this is HTML with currency and without currency. So I'm going to go to my settings, and now it tells you to scroll down to the store currency and click on change formatting. So you're obviously going to go to your store currency. Here it's going to say change formatting. And in HTML, again, with currency, we're going to go ahead and go with this. And in HTML without currency, we're simply going to go ahead and add the upper one. Once you do that, you're going to click on save. And there you go. So now you're going to come back to this and you're going to click on next. I have done this. So once that is done, it's going to say localize your store. So what is your target country? So right now, let's go with, scroll down. I'm going to go with the most basic. Let's go with Australia for now. And it's going to give me the recommended languages. Now, whatever languages you want, go ahead with these. So let's say I want to go with these languages, and then it's going to even give me the currencies that I want to be in. So I'm going to go with all of these, and I'm going to click on Great, Complete It All, and it's going to set up the switcher. So it's going to set up the switcher to go from your country to other countries. And look at that. It's going to open things up like this. Now, here's Transy, and you can actually switch the language. So let's say I want to make it Italian, and I'm going to turn it to Australian. I'm going to click on Apply, and as we scroll down, it's obviously going to make the language, as you can clearly see, Italian. So everything's in Italian now. Obviously not my logo because that's a PNG, but you get the point. So that is the basic concept of how you're going to do it. And right now it's only going to display for you, but if you want to display for everyone, you're going to click on this, and that's pretty much going to do it. So yeah, that is how you can change your theme language in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.